Good morning, Arundel class. I hope you've had a really good weekend. I'm actually recording this maths lesson, which we're going to do on the Monday. I'm recording it on Express Yourself Friday. So I'm wearing my really comfy jumper that I like to wear, especially at the weekends when I'm relaxing, but I thought I'd wear it today. Anyway, today's maths lesson is a game. It sounds really simple when we look at the rules. It's called NIM7, and I've been told it's a really easy game to play, but really hard to master. Now, the best way for me to introduce this game is to share the rules and then demonstrate the game to you as well. So the rules are as follows. You're going to need 7 counters, or you might use counters, or you could use any small objects and put them on a table in front of you. You're going to play this game with somebody else in your house. It could be your brother, sister, mum, or dad, but please, no arguments in the game. Decide who goes first, and then the next time you play it, because you're going to play it quite a few times, you keep taking in turns to go first. Each player takes it in turns to take either 1 or 2 counters from the group of counters on the table. The player that has the last turn loses. So what's going to happen is you're going to keep on playing until you find out how to win, and if you can, finding a winning strategy. Now, the best way, as I said, we're going to do this to introduce the game is to play it. So Mrs. Green out of the screen is to my right. And I'm just going to move the camera so you can see our 7 counters. There they are. Okay, so Mrs. Green, ladies first. Would you like to take 1 or 2? So Mrs. Green has taken 1 counter. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 counters. Mrs. Green's turn. I'm going to take 1 counter. I'm going to take 2 counters.
Which means I've lost the final counter.
So Mrs. Green lost that one. Okay, so let's put them back in and we'll play again. Okay, let's see if we can do a different strategy this time. So it's my turn to go first. I'm going to take 2 straight away. She's not saying very much.
Sorry, I missed out. Taking 1 there, taking 1.
But she's thinking.
I'm thinking hard.
Thinking really, really carefully.
I'm trying to think ahead, you see.
I'm going to take 2 this time.
I'm going to take 1 more.
Oh, no, but that means this time I'm taking the last counter. So this time I'm the loser. I lose the game. So it's a very simple game, as you can see, but there are lots of different strategies within it. And it might take a few times for you to work out, is there a way of actually winning every time? Let me just bring the screen share back. Here it is. So there are the rules. So as you are playing, these are the things I want you to be thinking about. Does it matter who goes first? And are there any key situations in the game, which either means that you're always going to win, or you're going to put yourself in a position where you might or will lose? Once you've done that and you've found a way that works, record your answers in your book, and how you do that is up to you, but make it really, really clear. You might want to then move on a little bit more. So when you think you've mastered the game and you found a winning strategy, record your findings in your book, and then you can take the game further yourself. What if the game instead started with 8 counters or 9? What if a player is allowed to take 1, 2, or 3 counters at any time? How does the game change? We'll be really looking forward to seeing what happens and what you find out. So good luck. Enjoy the game. As I said earlier, no fighting, no arguments, but have a really fun time playing the game called NIM7.